I'll be back.
I'm so happy, oh, happy-go-lucky me.
I'm surrounded by more dicks than a curious teenager.
Never gonna get you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around, desert you.
What the fuck you looking at?
I wanna have your baby.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
All around me are familiar faces.
I'll wear your granddad's clothes.
Damn right.
I look incredible.
Paying attention, boy. The Jedi are dead. But there is another path. The dark side.
I don't think that you wanna be a part of me. I don't think you wanna see the deeper, darker side of me. I don't think that you're ready for reality. I don't think you wanna see the deeper, darker side of me.
Bring the action.
When we up in the club, all eyes on us, all eyes on us.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. The mother boys don't know how to act. Yeah.
Oh my God, what have I done?
Do it again.
All I wanted was a little fun.
Do it again.
I'm glad I gave you something to look forward to.
We need not be adversaries. The Emperor will show you mercy if you tell me where the remaining Jedi can be found.
There are no Jedi. You and your Inquisitors have seen to that.
If you change your mind, I'm the first in line. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me.
Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight I'm fucking you.
I'm ready to do whatever I need to join the dark evil.
Excellent.
Oh, God, no, sorry. That's beyond even me. No, fine, give it here.
I have a beard and it looks really good. I have a beard like a real man should. I have a beard, I stroke it all the time. I have a beard, I'm so glad that it's mine. You can leave your head on. Ahsoka.
Anakin.
Deception, disgrace.